Careful now, Joseph.
It's cool, man. He's just playing.
He shouldn't be climbing. Joseph!
He's just playing.
Joseph, get down! Joseph.
Let him play, okay, man?
He knows not to climb.
It's cool. He's just Joseph. He's just climbing.
Joseph, down! You know not to climb! Joseph, you've been awful today!
He's cool, man.
Joseph, I love you. No playground for 3 days.
Say, isn't it about time for some grub?
Yes, let us go. Hinge will be waiting.
Hinge, eat your vegetable, you'll shrink down to a small boy. Have you had enough, Joseph?
Are we out of papayas?
There should be several in the basket.
They're rotten as fuck.
Yay. Oh. 99.
Oh, sweet, some mail. No way. Hey, I got some mail.
What is it?
My old college bud is in town and he wants to know if he could stop by for a viz.
You know how I feel about visitors.
Nah, he's a sweet guy. He wouldn't even hurt a small fly at all.
Fine. Will he need grub?
I think yeah,
Fine. When?
tomorrow.
Damn it.
Hinge!
See to it that the house is in order. What is the name
Huh?
of your bud?
Oh. Well, we all used to just call him F, but his big name is Furthington.
Very well.
Oh. And he's bringing a friend.
Greetings.
Hi.
It's so great to see you, man.
You as well, my dear Glasfrag. How have you been?
Good, man, good. How about you?
Oh, splendid. Just this afternoon, Reynolds and I enjoyed a tour of the local museum.
I gave it, actually.
No way.
Yeah, I used to work there.
What was it like being around all those, like, dusty artifacts all day and those various relics of sorts?
It's fascinating.
I bet. How many times a day would you say?
Joseph!
Yes, we haven't heard from dear Joseph.
Joseph would rather not speak.
Oh, well, that's just fine.
So, what would you say is...
Joseph!
What's the matter?
Glasfrag, come. Excuse us.
Did I say something?
No, dearie, I can't imagine so.
What is your beef?
Reynolds is exactly Joseph's type.
What? You mean Joseph wants to, like...
Stop!
Jeez, man.
I can't take it!
Well, okay. I'll just catch up with F some other time.
No,
What?
it's too late for that.
What do you mean about it?
Joseph has seen what he wants. Now there is no stopping him.
We can't just, like... say goodnight?
No, it's too late. Send Hinge in. Hinge, I need you to change Reynolds for me. You will do it.
Terribly sorry.
Are you all right, my dear?
I am good.
Maybe we should head out.
No! Hinge, would you care to... Reynolds, Hinge has accumulated quite a large amount of artifacts over his many years. Passion, really. Hinge, would you care to show Reynolds your collection?
Oh, I'd love to see that. The museum accepts donations too, so if that's something.
Very well, just follow Hinge.
Enjoy, dearie.
Oh my god. Look at this. Holy crow! Where did you find this? I've only heard rumors about oxidized calcified baby heads. This is like legendary! Now what is this? Does it make noise? Whoa.
I'm sorry.
So, like... are you still happy, like... being a cat?
Indeed.
Yeah?
Oh, yes.
Man, I'm missing out. Whoa.
Reynolds, what has happened to you?
You look like shit.
What has been done to Reynolds?
Man, Reynolds looks like shit.
What do you mean?
Look at him.
He looks like shit now.
I can't say I see a change.
Of course, there's... Are you mad?
What? It's just plain old Reynolds. Plain old pretty boy Reynolds. Come back from his tour of the artifacts. Isn't that right, Reynolds? When the tour is complete, we're clean out of grub. I'd say it's about time you two hit the old dusty trail. Say goodbye, Joseph.
Hey, it was great seeing you, F. Sorry your friend looks like shit forever.
Fetch me, Reynolds. You will have your comeuppance.
That was wild.
Quiet, Glasfrag. Hinge, prepare a bath. I love you, Joseph.
I've fashioned something. You may wear it if you like.